Hello and welcome back to Stock Market Encyclopedia. Here we cover news highlights from the day. Amidst the hike in fuel prices, PM Modi requests to state government to cut VAT on petrol and diesel. HDFC Life up more than 1% on strong Q4 earnings print. Adani Ports fails to hold on to opening gains, slips 3% from intraday records high, while Asian Paints recovers more than 1.5% from lows. Looking at Mahindra Logistics, it is the top gainer among Nifty 500 companies. Post Q4 earnings up almost 9%, highest since 13 July 2021. Trading volume 40x the 20-day average, while Tata Elxsi surges in trade, recovers nearly 6% from day's low. Looking at the Aditya Birla Capital extends gains up nearly 4%, trading at day's high. Looking at the Q4 earnings of Swaraj Engines, net profit down 32.9% at 21.9 crore versus 32.6 crore YOY. Revenue down 20.5% at 242.4 crore versus 305 crore YOY. EBITDA down 32.7% at 31.1 crore versus 46.2 crore YOY. EBITDA margin at 12.8% versus 15.1% YOY. Looking at the Shenzhen reports Q4 earnings, net profit down 8% at 147.8 crore versus 160. Revenue down 15.1% at 758.1 crore versus 658.6 crore YOY. EBITDA up 16.2% at 250.3 crore versus 215.4 crore YOY. EBITDA margin at 33% versus 32.7% YOY. Looking at Hindustan Lever, we can see that net profit up 9% at 2,327 crore YOY, up 9% QOQ, revenue up 11% at 13,584 crore YOY, up 3% QOQ, EBITDA up 9% at 3,367 crore YOY, flat QOQ, margins at 24.7% versus 25.1% YOY, 25.4% QOQ. Bajaj Auto Q4 earnings, net profit up 10% at 1,468 crore YOY, up 21% QOQ, revenue down 7% at 7,974 crore YOY, down 12% QOQ, EBITDA down 10% at 1,365 crore YOY, flat QOQ, margins at 17.1% versus 17.7% YOY, 15.2% QOQ, while Persistent Q4 earnings, net profit up 14% at 200 crore QOQ, up 46% YOY, revenue up 10% at 1,637 crore QOQ, up 47% YOY, EBITDA up 10% at 230 crore QOQ, up 57% YOY, margins at 14% versus 14% QOQ, 13.5% YOY. Meanwhile, we can see that there is a recovery in metal stock. Tata Steel is up nearly 2%, JSPL is up 2%, JSW Steel is up 1%, Vedanta is up nearly 1%. While looking at the Q4 earnings of Sri Digvijay Cements, net profit down 53.3% at 12.9 crore versus 27.4 crore YOY, revenue down 3.2% at 169.1 crore versus 174.8 crore YOY, EBITDA down 37.7% at 29.4 crore versus 47.2 crore YOY, EBITDA margin at 17.4% versus 27% YOY. Looking at the Q4 earnings of KPIT Tech, net profit up 12.6% at 78.8 crore versus 70 crore QOQ, revenue up 4.7% at 651.8 crore versus 622.4 crore QOQ, EBITDA up 5.6% at 121.4 crore versus 115 crore QOQ, EBITDA margin at 18.6% versus 18.5% QOQ. By looking at one of the biggest players of the market, that is Reliance Industries, which is at a record high, market cap crosses rupees 19 lakh crore. Lastly, looking at our top gainers for today, we can see that Hero MotoCorp is up nearly 92 points, Tata Steel is up nearly 1%, Asian Paints is up nearly 1%, TCS is up nearly 1%, while Bajaj Auto is up nearly 0.5%. Lastly, looking at the market at close, we can see that market off lows but ends in the red. Financials are major drag. Nifty falls 162.4 points at 17,038. Nifty mid cap down 261 points at 29,954. Nifty bank down 276 points at 36,028. Sensex down 537.2 at 56,890. That was all for today. Hope you all had amazing and a profitable day.